I am tired of hearing other people say that Instagram doesn't pay their creators, because they do. In this video, we're talking about all of the ways you can now or in the future will be able to make money and monetize directly on Instagram. What's up everyone, it's Millie. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every Wednesday teaching you the latest strategies and trends on social media to help you grow your brand. So give a little love tap on that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks I have for you. First, I want to say a huge thank you to this video's shoutouts. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you. So if you want to shout out in one of my future videos, screenshot yourself watching this and tag me over on Instagram stories, or leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. As always, timestamps will be in the comments down below because I value your time and you already know why you're here. So let's get into it. Yes, it's obvious that Instagram is behind the game on paying its creators, but at least they are finally seeing the value in it and are pushing many more monetization tools. In a recent article published by Facebook, they announced that they will now be investing $1 billion into their creators through various ways. Instagram also has an article talking about the various ways that you can start making money through their platform. I'll be sure to link all of the blog posts where I gathered this information below so that you can do your own research, because obviously I can't fit everything into this video, and I know some of you love to read about all of that and the resources of all of these videos I create, so I'll be sure to link those below. At the beginning of this video, I'm sure you saw an ad rolling out in the beginning. Similar things will be happening over on Instagram, where at the beginning of some Reels or some IGTV videos, ads will start playing at the forefront of those. This is because businesses can now pay to have their ads roll at the beginning of creators' IGTV videos or Reels. IGTV ads have actually been around since I think July of 2020, so that's not so much of a new feature, but Reels ads are, and this specific feature is going to be rolling out to creators in the US, UK, and Australia. Now, something to keep in mind, since you can now start monetizing your Reels videos and your IGTV videos, is music. On YouTube, you have to be very particular with the music that you choose to run in your videos so that you can continue to monetize your videos. If I were to play a song from like Justin Bieber in the background, I would not be able to have this video be monetized. I would not be able to get paid as a creator because I'm using another soundtrack that's not copyright free or not royalty free. So this is just something to think about as you are trying to grow monetization on Instagram. Will these things start taking effect over on that platform? We've already seen that happen with Reels back when Reels launched. For business pages, you can't or you don't have access to a lot of the music, because when you think about it, say a brand like Forever 21, if they were to use a soundtrack like, why am I thinking about Justin Bieber so much, right, for this video? Okay, let's do Justin Bieber. If Forever 21 were to create a reel and use Justin Bieber's song, then that could be considered some sort of campaign or ad, and the brand didn't get that artist's permission to use that song. So we're already seeing restricted availabilities with music particularly. So to guarantee that in the future your videos can be monetized, you want to focus on selecting royalty-free music in the background of your videos. A great resource to get music that is royalty-free is Epidemic Sound, and I do want to take a moment to thank Epidemic Sound for sponsoring this video. Epidemic Sound is a royalty-free soundtrack providing company where you never have to worry about those royalty fees again. You would get access to over 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects. When you have an account with Epidemic Sound, you can download as many songs as you like, and you can get this all through a personal plan of only $12 a month. As a creator, you have access to a huge library of music that has all been cleared for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, and podcasts. All right, this is a behind the scenes look at my Epidemic Sound account. So here's just the main page. We have the featured, it says more of what you like. And this section is based on recent downloads that I've already done within my account. So they can customize the featured and recommended songs based off of content that you've liked in the past to guarantee a better user experience and that you'll be able to find music that you enjoy a lot quicker. You also have featured categories. So you have things that are now trending, a playlist for online creators, ads, promos, trailers, comedy, corporate, cinematic, fashion, all of the above. And then they have a section for staff picks, new releases. And as you come across music that you like, so for example, if I really like this online creators section, I'm gonna open it. Ooh, this looks fun. actually like this. What I can do is I could either download it right away or I can add it to a playlist. So I have a few playlists on here. I have some for me and I have some for John. For example, John's Picks That Slap. I was in a funky mood, don't worry about it. And then usually I'll put my YouTube favorites to YouTube, and then that's like music that plays in the background of while I'm talking. And then I also have montage music, and that's music where those songs are specifically to be the highlight of maybe a montage if I'm like making some coffee or doing a little book haul, you know, or like shopping at Barnes and Noble, all the things. So when the music is supposed to be the highlight, I'll add it to montage music, and then when it's like talking head background, I'll add it over to YouTube. So I kind of like this one as a montage music. And then you also have a section for sound effects as well. Cartoon, whoosh, whoosh. Don't know why I said it like that.
What?
You're saying it weird.
Saying what weird?
All of it.
Whoosh, footsteps, props, all the fun things. So it's a really great place to get all of your music, sound effects, and use them as the background of IGTV, YouTube, Reels. For monetization reasons, you can get monetized without any penalties in the future. If you want to make sure you can monetize your Instagram content in the future, use the link in the description to try your 30-day free trial or use the code SUMMERMILLIE when selecting a plan. Next on the list of monetization tools, we have live badges. This came from the popularity of streamers, and this is similar to different streaming monetization platforms out there like Twitch and even with TikTok. When you go live on Instagram, your followers can send you badges that they purchase in support of you. This gives fans another opportunity, or more of an opportunity, to show their love and support to their favorite creators. Now I have a note written here. It says, over the next coming months, it will expand across the US, Brazil, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Turkey, Spain, and Mexico. Something to keep in mind, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, is these monetization tools, if they're not already out, they are slowly rolling out. And we've seen Instagram do this before, where they test it in small areas and then slowly expand and expand and expand. So if you don't have access to these tools right now, there's nothing I can say to you to help you get the access to it sooner. Really, with Instagram, it's all about the waiting game and making sure you are a creator account. The next monetization tool, which is the one I'm actually the most excited for, is affiliates/shopping. Now we all know about the shopping tab on Instagram and the ability to shop on that platform, but did you know that they are expanding that tool for creators so that they can have their followers shop directly on their page using their affiliate links? This way creators can now start making a percentage of their sales without having to direct people over to other platforms like to know it, reward style, all of the things. Creators can still earn their affiliate percentage through Instagram directly. The great thing with this is, as a creator, not only can you sell your own products, but you can go to any other business's page on Instagram, go to their shop tab, and create an affiliate link directly on Instagram, add it to your shop page, and if anybody or any follower from you buys that business's product through your shop, you will earn a percentage. This is currently being tested by a small group of US creators and will be rolled out to all of the US by the end of the year. The fourth monetization tool we're talking about is bonuses. There was a summer bonus program that ended on August 31st. This tested some accounts where if you reached a certain level of activity or hit a certain number of views on a reel, you were actually given bonuses. If I were to go live with another creator for 30 minutes, I could get a bonus of $150. Like I said, this was one that happened this summer, but it's not to say that bonuses and this sort of bonus program won't happen again in the future. This was definitely something that Instagram was testing to see if it would encourage creators to be on the platform longer. If successful, we could probably plan to see more bonuses like this happening in the future. The fifth and final way that you can monetize on Instagram, I saved the best for last because it's my personal favorite, that is brand collaborations. This one is the most popular because we are probably the most familiar with it, and it's because you can make the biggest monetary gain from it. If you're somebody who's a little bit more interested in learning about brand collaborations, make sure you watch this video here where I talk about brand collaborations in detail. Facebook started growing a program called Brands Collaborations Manager, where it connects brands directly to influencers using their platform, and this is definitely something that they're expanding onto Instagram as well. So we have third-party platforms platforms like Aspire IQ, #paid, and Instagram and Facebook, they want to be the third-party platform. They want to take over, they want to be the middleman. So they're creating platforms where you can connect directly with brands that are looking for partnerships and make partnerships that way. Right now, it is happening for Facebook creators, so you can literally Google Facebook brands collab manager and you'll see the main page where you can apply. But I don't believe it's expanded all the way to Instagram yet. I think that's another thing that, again, slowly rolling out. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hug that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Follow your joy. Bye.